In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a captivating photo montage using CapCut. CapCut is a powerful, user-friendly video editing application that offers a variety of tools and features to enhance your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of turning a simple photo into an engaging visual story. Let's get started by importing your chosen photo into the timeline. This is your first step and sets the stage for the rest of your project. To do this, open CapCut and navigate to the New Project option. Once there, you'll want to select your photo from your device's gallery. Simply tap on the picture you want to use, and it will appear on the timeline, ready for you to work your magic. Once your photo is on the timeline, the next thing you want to do is extend the duration. This is important because a longer duration allows more time for your audience to digest the content and appreciate the intricate details you'll be adding. You can adjust the duration by selecting the photo and dragging the edges to your desired length. A few seconds typically work well, but feel free to play around to see what fits best with your vision. Now that your photo is perfectly set on the timeline, it's time to elevate your project by adding a zoom-in animation. This effect adds a dynamic quality to your photo, catching the viewer's attention right from the start. CapCut makes this process incredibly easy. Simply select the animation option, pick Zoom In, and adjust the intensity to suit your style. Don't stop there. Text, music, and overlay effects can further enhance your montage. Consider adding these elements to provide context or to evoke a particular mood. Just click on the respective icons and choose from a diverse range of fonts, tracks, and overlays available in CapCut. For the final touches, aim for a seamless experience by introducing fade-in and fade-out effects. These will provide smooth transitions that guide the viewer's eye and help maintain the flow of your montage. In addition, using light text captions can be a powerful storytelling tool. Think about the message or narrative you want to convey and add simple, unobtrusive text to support this story. As you apply these elements, keep an eye on the balance between text, animations, and the duration of your photo to ensure everything feels integrated and harmonious. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've learned how to transform a single photo into an engaging montage with CapCut. Experiment with these tools to find what resonates with your style and creates the impact you desire. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create more compelling visual stories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.